आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं सेकंड लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस, राइट? टुडे हम आज क्या पढ़ेंगे? हम सेकंड लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस।
यस सर।
सेकंड लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस में क्या-क्या आता है? सेकंड लाइन हमने पढ़ा था, सेकंड लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस में आते हैं डब्ल्यूबीसीज़ दैट आर कॉल्ड द व्हाइट ब्लड सेल्स, मैक्रोफेजेस, इंटरफेरॉन्स, इन्फ्लेमेटरी रिएक्शन, फीवर, एनके सेल्स, कॉम्प्लीमेंट प्रोटीन्स। सादिया हम इनको एक-एक पढ़ के पहले हम ले लेंगे, हम एग्ज़ाम्पल हम यही ले ली, अगर पैथोजन ने फिज़िकल बैरियर क्रॉस किया, केमिकल बैरियर क्रॉस किया। फिज़िकल बैरियर ने इसके साथ कुछ नहीं किया, यानी कि इस वनो कश पे इम्स पूछ न कहीं त दैट वाज़ नॉट एबल टू किल द पैथोजन। The physical barrier was not able to kill the pathogen, it made its entry towards the body. Second, the chemical barriers were not able to stop its entry towards the body. Then it reached to the blood. Then it reached to the blood. That is now the second. That is the second life of defense. How the second life of defense will treat towards this pathogen. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इनका इनकाउंटर किन के साथ होता है? डब्ल्यूबीसीज के साथ होता है। किन के साथ होता है? डब्ल्यूबीसीज। एंड डब्ल्यूबीसीज आर आल्सो नोन एज द ल्यूकोसाइट्स। व्हाट आर दे नोन एज ए
सर।
ल्यूकोसाइट्स? डब्ल्यूबीसीज हमें दो तरह के मिलते हैं। I have put the diagram in front of board. WB granulocytes, agranulocytes.
अग्रेन।
Granulocytes that contain the enzymes and they are in the form of the granules. These are known as the granulocytes. Remember it. The WBCs are of the two types. One is the granulocytes. What are the granulocytes? Granulocytes that possesses an enzyme, and these enzymes are in them in the form of the granules, and that is why they are called the granulocytes. And second is the agranulocytes. Granulocytes हम इसमें तीन तरह के हैं: न्यूट्रोफिलस, वेसोफिलस, एसोनोफिलस। एग्रीनुलोसाइटिस, मोनोसाइटिस, लिम्फोसाइटिस एंड लिम्फोसाइटिस के दो तरह के होते हैं। बी लिम्फोसाइटिस यानी वी विल कॉल्ड इट एज ए बून लिम्फोसाइटिस, टी लिम्फोसाइटिस, राइट, थाइमस लिम्फोसाइटिस, राइट। वी विल स्टडी इन देम, सादिया, वी विल स्टडी देम वन बाय वन। Amir, we will study them all these things one by one. Sadia, you have seen if there is a CBC. Have you seen a CBC test? Have you seen anything anywhere the CBC test? Rafaida, Amir, Sumaya, right? Have you seen the CBC test? जब किसी का सीबीसी टेस्ट यानी कंप्लीट ब्लड काउंट, सीबीसी टेस्ट, कंप्लीट ब्लड काउंट, when this test is occurring, you will study all these things in them. What is the WBCs, how many WBCs are in it, how much the neutrophils are, basophils are there, monocytes are, lymphocytes are. Try to understand from it. So this is the second line. The doctor want to read how much it has the second line of defense in it, whether it is in a proper way or not, whether it is a proper way or not. First of line defense, if they have allowed any pathogen to enter into the body, whether the second line of defense is intact or not. I will give an example. I will give an Sadia, I will give an example. For example, अगर किसी के अगर अगर ये WBC ज्यादा होंगे किसी में, दिस कॉल्ड इज सेकंड लाइन डिफेंस, याद रखना। तो इसका मतलब हुआ है सम इन्फेक्शन इज देयर, क्योंकि इन डब्ल्यूबीसीज का ये काम होता है, अगर कोई पैथोजन अंदर आया तो हमारी बॉडी क्या काम करती है, ज्यादा से ज्यादा पैथोजन ये डब्ल्यूबीसीज तैयार कर लेते हैं, सो दैट दे विल फाइट अगेंस्ट द पैथोजन। और अगर ये इन्फेक्शन कंटिन्यूसली रहा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज अ मैन, देयर इज अ पर्सन हु डू possess दे ऑलवेज दिस इन्फ्लुएंजा, who always possesses, जिसके पास जुकाम हर महीने 12 महीने रहता है, हर 12 महीने, they have the running nose, they have the filled nose throughout their year, right? Saida, do you have any type of influenza? Do you have the running nose, right? When
नो सर।
yes, you do not never have, very good. So this thing, when any person do have the influenza throughout the year, will these WBCs increase or decrease, Sadia? Rufaida? Sumaya, will these be increased or they decreased? जब इन डब्ल्यूबीसीज को इनके पैथोजेन्स के खिलाफ लड़ना पड़ेगा, इन वायरस के खिलाफ लड़ना पड़ेगा, पहले तो ये ज्यादा हो जाएंगे, मगर हाँ पहले ये ज्यादा हो जाएंगे, मगर इनको कंटिन्यूसली अगर लड़ना पड़ेगा ये तो कम हो जाएंगे. Doctor want to read all these things, so that is why the doctor prescribes the patient to have this CBC test. He want to check where is the infection, where the infection continues or not. राइट. सो डब्ल्यूबीसीज आज हम पढ़ेंगे, एक एक करके हम पढ़ेंगे. पहले हम ले लेंगे सादिया इस ग्रेनुलोसाइट्स को, यानी एंजाइम रिच डब्ल्यूबीसीज, एंजाइम रिच डब्ल्यूबीसी. डब्ल्यूबीसीज का हम इस तरह का है, इसको ये इनको कैसे मापा जाता है. दीज आर अबाउट 6000 to 8000 per cubic millimeter of the blood. I am writing it 6000 to 8000 per cubic millimeter. And they are known, Sadia, remember it, they are known as the WBCs, white blood cells. When they are white, this means they WBCs are colorless. They are in number 6000 to 8000 cubic millimeter. They are colorless. They are colorless because white blood, and they are short-lived because they are continuously manufactured from the bone marrow, and they fight internal to the body, and their number is changing, so they are short-lived. 5 days, 10 days, this is their total lifetime. I have already asked you the question last year during study of the RBCs. What is the total lifespan of the RBCs? Sadia, Samaya, Amir, to all of you. Can 120 days. Very good. So 120 days. Excellent is every time. Sadia is every time excellent. Super excellent. Why? मैंने दो चीजें ये चीजें याद रखो साजा. It increase in number when there is a sudden infection, but they decrease in number when the infection is continued. Remember it. When the infection remains continuously, they decrease in number. When there is a sudden infection, they increase in number. Right? Understand? When ये, हाँ यहाँ पर ये कंडीशन प्लीज रिमेंबर इट साजा. अगर इनका नंबर ज्यादा हुआ, अगर इनका नंबर ज्यादा हुआ किसी भी इंफेक्शन के, एंड दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज ए ल्यूकोसाइटोसिस. नीट का क्वेश्चन बन रहा है, नीट का क्वेश्चन बन रहा है. द इंक्रीज इन द नंबर ऑफ द WBCs इज नोन एज ए ल्यूकोसाइटोसिस, इज नोन एज ए ल्यूकोसाइटोसिस. अगर ब्लड वेसल्स, सारे यहां पर याद रखना, दूसरा क्वेश्चन, अगर ब्लड वेसल्स ने ये पाया, अगर बॉडी सिस्टम ने ये पाया कि ब्लड वेसल्स के बाहर, ब्लड वेसल्स के बाहर कोई हमला हो रहा है बॉडी पर, ब्लड वेसल्स मसल्स में कोई पैथोजन है दैट इज इफेक्टिंग द बॉडी फंक्शन, तो तब ये WBCs क्या कर रहे हैं, तब ये WBCs इस ब्लड वेसल से बाहर आते हैं इन मसल्स की तरफ to fight against the external body, and that process is known as a diapediasis. दो क्वेश्चंस नीट के यहां बन गए. The leukocytosis, when there is an increase in the number of the WBCs against any sudden infection, that is known as a leukocytosis. When the WBCs squeeze towards the muscles for the defense of the body, for the defense of the body, that process is known as a diapediasis. Right? Is this crystal clear to you, WBCs? I am repeating it. The WBCs are 6000 to 8000 per cubic millimeter. They are nucleated. RBCs are not nucleated. They are nucleated. They are colorless. That is why they are called WBCs. But their life is short. They increase in number when there is any sudden infection, any pathogen enters into their body. Because they have to fight against the pathogen, their number increases. And this process is known as a leukocytosis. But at the same time, when any pathogen is outside the blood cells, these WBCs squeeze or percolate towards the muscles, so that they can fight against the pathogen in the muscles, and that process is known as a diapedesis. That is known as a diapedesis. इसके कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स हैं? पहले हम पढ़ लेंगे ग्रेनुलोसाइट्स। मैंने बताया आपको, those WBCs which have the enzymes and they form the granules in them. इनमें कौन-कौन से होते हैं? वहाँ ग्रेनुलोसाइट्स कौन-कौन से? न्यूट्रोफिल्स। दे न्यूट्रोफिल्स। इनको इस तरह से नाम दिया गया है साजा कि न्यूट्रोफिल्स मीन्स they are neutral. Neither they stand with the acid nor they stand with the base. That is why on this staining basis, they are known as the neutrophils. They form the WBCs. They form the granulocytes about the 60 to the 65%. 60 to 65%. Most abundant granulocytes WBCs. Most abundant WBCs are the neutrophils. They are the neutrophils because they are neutral by acidic or the basic staining. That is why they are known as a neutrophil. They are the most abundant. About the 60 to the 65% of the WBCs are the neutrophils. They are phagocytic in nature. They are phagocytic in nature, WBCs. And you can see here they are bilobed. They are multilobed nucleus. Their nucleus is multilobed. Their nucleus is multilobed. They are phagocytic in nature. What does the phagocytic means? When the pathogen enters into them, they directly eat it. They directly eat it. That is why these neutrophils are known as a micropoliceman of the blood. Next question बन रहा है, micropoliceman of the blood. Very important micropoliceman of blood. This is very important, write it. हमने पढ़ा, I am repeating, WBCs, granulocytes, agranulocytes. Granulocytes because the enzymes in them are present as a granules. Right. Granulocytes में कौन के? न्यूट्रोफिलस। मैंने दो चीजें बताई, ल्यूकोसाइटासिस, डायपीडाइसिस। न्यूट्रोफिलस मोस्ट abundant WBCs about 65%. Right? They are neutral because they do not stand either with the acid or in the base. They are phagocytic in their nature. That is why they are known as a micropoliceman of blood. Right? Understand? Understand? Right? Understand? Rufaida, can you explain?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain the neutrophils? जल्दी करो, अगर हो सके आपसे
Yes,
जल्दी इतना
sir.
टाइम। राइट, प्लीज टेल मी
That
इमीडिएटली।
is multilobed. इनका न्यूक्लियस मल्टीलोबेड होता है।
वेरी गुड।
माइक्रोपीसमैन ऑफ ब्लड और ये मोस्ट अबंडेंट होते हैं।
अबाउट हाउ
और
मच?
ये फैगोस
अबाउट हाउ मेनी परसेंट?
60 to 65 60 to 65
Sadia, why they are known as the micropoliceman of the blood?
phagocytic
Very
in nature.
good. They are phagocytic in nature. They are phagocytic in nature. Second type is the eosinophilus. Second type is the acidophilus because they stand acid. They stand with the acid. We can find, scientists have find them by acid staining. By acid staining, that is why they are known as the eosinophilus. They have the bilobed nucleus. They have the bilobed nucleus. If you can see, they have the bilobed nucleus. That is why they are known as the acidophilus. They are large sized. They are large. They can eat the large sized parasites, which are of the big side. They can eat the large sized parasites, and they secrete a very important substance. They secrete a very important substance that is known as a histamine. A very important substance. Histidine is one of the protein, and from that histidine it is produced the histamine. Histamine that help us it to fight against the pathogens. Large side of parasites, these are there is a duty of the acidophilus, eosinophilus, rather the acidophilus that have to fight with these large sides of the parasites, and they because they secrete the histamine. Very good. An important substance that is known as the histamine. Understand? Neutrophilus, eosinophilus, bilobed, they can they can fight with the large side parasites because they secrete the histamine. They secrete the histamine substance. Now the third type in it is what? That is the basophilus. हमने ये पढ़ा था ना, राइट? हमने ये पढ़ा था ना basophilus. हाँ, कौन कौन सा पढ़ा था हमने, राइट? वी कैन से थर्ड न्यूट्रोफिलस, eosinophilus, and the basophilus. They stain with the bases. They stain with the base, but are least abundant. But are least abundant. But are least, remember it. But are least abundant. And these cells are S-shaped. Basophilus are S-shaped. They are S-shaped. I am writing it here S-shaped. S-shaped cells, S-shaped WBCs. They produce the three types of the substances: heparin, histamine, serotonin. Heparin, that is an anticoagulant. Histamine, to fight against the pathogens. Serotonin, serotonin help us to sleep. Help us to sleep. तीन चीजें बहुत अच्छी तरह, तीन चीजें, because this is a defense system and the sleep is also good for the defense. That is why the serotonin is in the WBCs. It is released by the basophilus. Very important. एक फिर एक क्वेश्चन बन रहा है, which cells where from it is formed? It is formed the WBCs, that is known as the basophilus. I am repeating it, Saja. Basophilus, S-shaped,
Yes, sir.
they stand with the base. That is why they are known as the basophilus.
Yes, sir.
They secrete heparin, anticoagulant, histamine, that fight with the parasites, serotonin, that help us for the sleep, that gives you the sleep, right? The serotonin, right? Understand? सादिया बेसोफिल्स के बारे में जल्दी से बताओ.
Yes, sir. The basophils जो होते हैं ये स्कैन करते हैं बेसिस के साथ, बट ये लीस्ट एबंडेंट होते हैं. ये एस शेप्ड होते हैं. ये रिलीज करते हैं हेपेरिन जो एक एंटीकोगुलेंट है, और
हाँ.
हिस्टामिन जो मतलब से है फाइट करता है, और सेरोटोनिन हेल्प टू स्लीप.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. दूसरा ये तो हो गया ग्रेनुलोसाइट्स. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड ग्रेनुलोसाइट्स? रुफायदा, समाया, सादिया, आमिर. Amir, did you understand up to this time? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? I will clear it. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Very good, very good. हम अब पहुंच गए हम granulocytes. They do not possess much enzyme. You have seen the serotonin is formed, heparin is histidine is formed because there is the enzymes in it. There is a enzymes in it. Now we will reach to the agranulocytes. In the agranulocytes, we will study first the monocytes. We will study first the monocytes. Monocytes are the largest WBCs. Remember it. एक और क्वेश्चन बन रहा है, which one is the largest WBCs? These are the monocytes. Smallest WBCs, अभी मैंने बताया, smallest WBCs कौन होते हैं साजिया?
Basophil.
No, neutrophils. Smallest neutrophils. Largest monocytes. Smallest neutrophils. Abundant कौन होते हैं? अभी मैंने बताया.
Neutrophil.
वेरी गुड. और लीस्ट सबसे कम होते हैं, अभी मैंने बताया. बेसोफिल्स. ये चार चीजें याद रखना. मोस्ट एबंडेंट, लार्जेस्ट आर द मोनोसाइट्स, स्मॉलेस्ट न्यूट्रोफिलस, लीस्ट बेसोफिलस, मोस्ट एबंडेंट न्यूट्रोफिलस. Right? Understand? These monocytes,
Yes, sir.
right? These monocytes are the phagocytes, and they form the macrophages. They form the macrophages. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट जो डिफेंस सिस्टम का एक्चुअली होता है हमारा, जो एंटीबॉडीज बनाते हैं, दीज आर नोन एज ए मैक्रोफाज। व्हाट दे आर नोन एज ए मैक्रोफाज। और इनमें क्या है, इनमें क्या है, आज ये लगाते हैं ना, कौन सा वैक्सीन, कोरोना वायरस वैक्सीन। दीज आर द इंटीजन्स ऑफ द कोरोना
सर।
वायरस। और इन कोरोना वायरस को इंटीजन बनाने में कौन कर काम करता है, इंटीजन बनाने में कौन कर, दीज आर द मोनोसाइट्स। जब हमें पता नहीं होता है, कोई पैथोजन, कोई माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म बॉडी के अंदर चला जाता है, तो यही मोनोसाइट्स पहले इनको इंटीजन्स बनाते हैं। इंटीजन्स कैसे बनाते हैं, इसी के प्रोसेस पर, जो ये नेचुरल प्रोसेस थी ना, रुफायदा सायदा यहाँ पर ये अंडरस्टैंड करना है। इसी जो ये नेचुरल प्रोसेस हमारी बॉडी में थी, इसी प्रोसेस को उन्होंने साइंटिस्ट ने कॉपी कर दिया। कैसे होता था हमारी बॉडी में, फॉर एग्जांपल कोई वायरस चला गया था, तो ये मैक्रोफाज क्या काम करते थे, ये मोनोसाइट्स क्या काम करते थे, इस मोनोसाइट इस वायरस को टुकड़े-टुकड़े कर देते थे। इस वायरस को टुकड़े-टुकड़े कर देते थे। जब इसको टुकड़े-टुकड़े कर देते थे, और इसके साथ एक प्रोटीन, इसको फाइट करने में एक प्रोटीन इनके साथ लग जाता था। हाँ, रिमेंबर, एक प्रोटीन इनके साथ लग जाता था, और दैट इज़ नोन एज़ इट फॉर्म्स द एंटीजन। तब बॉडी क्या काम करती थी? इन एंटीजन्स के खिलाफ बनाती थी, अपने सब्सटेंसेस बनाती थे, एंड दैट सब्सटेंसेस वर नोन एज़ द एंटीबॉडीज़। आमिर, वहाँ से शोर हो रहा है, प्लीज़ रिमेन साइलेंट देयर। शोर हो रहा है वहाँ से। हाँ, मैंने, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड सादिया? दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, हाउ द इंटीजन्स आर फॉर्म्ड। From this natural process, scientists has copied the same thing, and they formed the indigenous of this, on which basis the vaccines are produced in the modern times. ये कहाँ से इन्होंने सीख लिया? इन्हीं मैक्रोफाज से सीख लिया उन्होंने। जब मैक्रोफाज किसी बैक्टीरिया वायरस को किल करता था, इनके टुकड़े-टुकड़े कर देता था। When it was breaking it into the pieces, some proteins were coming out from the macrophage and were attaching to these pieces, and these were representing as the antigens. For these antigens, the body was themselves preparing the substances for this, against these viruses, and there were, the defense system was becoming this strong. The immune system was becoming this strong, and that was there. The antibodies has been developed against any immune system. They have studied from this natural process. And this process of the monocytes, when they form the antigens of the pathogen, they form the antigens of the pathogen, and this process, this property of the monocytes is known as an antigen presenting cells, APC. It is known as the APC. APC, antigen presenting cell. When a macrophage, I am repeating it, when a macrophage will broke the pieces in a pathogen, a protein from the pathogen comes out and goes towards these, right? Go towards these pieces, and the body prepares the antibodies against these antigens, and this is known as an antigen presenting cell. This macrophage is known as an antigen presenting cell. So monocytes, we can call it as the antigen presenting cells. These monocytes are of the two types. One is the fixed macrophage, very important, very important. Fixed macrophage, I will check whether it will be in the library or not, right? No, I do not. These are, I'm writing it on the whiteboard, right? These are the fixed macrophages, fixed, and the wandering macrophages. Fixed macrophages means that remains at the one place. For example, in our lungs, there are some the monocytes or the macrophages that are called the macrophages that remain in the lungs. When in the pathogen enters in them, and they fight against their at their proper place. These are known as a, fixed macrophages or these fixed monocytes. राइट, भाई मैंने बताया, जैसे किडनीज में हमारे हैं, लंग्स में हमारे हैं, these macrophages are present to fight against the pathogens. And wandering, those macrophages that do wander in our blood, that do move in our blood from one place to another, these are known as a wandering macrophages. Understand? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Understand? Rafaida, is this crystal clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Is this crystal
Yes,
very
sir.
good? Very good. Amir, is this crystal clear too? I have told you the monocytes. Granulocytes में एक kind हमने पढ़ा monocytes. Monocytes are also known as the antigen presenting cells. These are of the two types, fixed macrophages and the vacuum macrophages. When any macrophage remains fixed at one place, मैंने कहा कि कुछ kidneys में होते हैं, कुछ stomachs में होते हैं, कुछ lungs में होते हैं. They remain for their duty. Their duty is only fixed at one place. And when any pathogen enters in it, they fight against them. These are known as the fixed macrophages, and some are wandering. Those macrophages that do flow through the blood in our body, these are known as the wandering macrophages. हमने example भी इनकी दे दी, right? Understand? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Is this crystal clear to you? Is this crystal clear? Now there remains the lymphocytes. Now there remains. अगर साजा अगर टाइम खत्म हुआ तो इसी के साथ खत्म कर लेंगे, कल हम पढ़ लेंगे और, ठीक है ना? कल हम और पढ़ लेंगे, ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
राइट. लिम्फोसाइट्स दो तरह के होते हैं, बी लिम्फोसाइट्स, मैंने बताया बून लिम्फोसाइट्स, and second is the T lymphocytes. These are the T lymphocytes. These forms the main things for the immune system. These forms the main system of the immune system. We will study them in the specific. जो हमने वहां पढ़ा था नॉन स्पेसिफिक एंड स्पेसिफिक, we will clearly study in them the specific defense system. In the specific defense system, these B lymphocytes, bone lymphocytes, the lymphocytes that are produced from our bone marrow, the T lymphocytes that are produced from the thymus, that are produced from the thymus. Did you understand the WBCs? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Right? Is this crystal clear to you? Tomorrow we will take the another that remained, which remained there. I have there these interferons, हाँ, कल हम पढ़ देंगे माइक्रोफॉज, WBCs एंड माइक्रोफॉज हमने पढ़े आज, इंटरफ्रॉन्स कल हम पढ़ देंगे. क्या पढ़ेंगे कल हम? Interferons.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand the WBCs and macrophages? Sadia, is this crystal clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Haya, is this crystal? Sadia, is
Yes,
this
sir.
crystal clear to you? Is there any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Please, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Well, thank you very much to all. Shall I call up the session? Time is over.
Yes, sir.
Allah Hafiz to all of you. In advance to all of you, Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. I am calling off this session. Thank you to all of you. I did remember that you understand all the things. Please, Allah Hafiz to all of you.